Welcome to the CMF Phone 2 Pro Technical Specifications video, brought to you by Nothing. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro. It features a 6nm architecture and a clock speed of 2.5 GHz. It comes with 8 GB of RAM, with 16 GB effective RAM via ROM expansion and 256 GB of storage. The phone runs on Nothing OS 3.2, which is based on Android 15, offering a seamless user experience. The display is a 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2392 by 1080. It features a powerful tri-sensor system on the rear, a 50-megapixels main sensor, a 13-megapixels secondary sensor, and a 16-megapixels tertiary sensor. For high-quality selfies and video calls, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is equipped with a 50-megapixels front camera. The phone includes a 5000 mAh battery, which has been lab-tested to provide all-day capacity. Charging options include turbo power charging via wired connection, 33W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging. Looking at the technical specifications, the dimensions are 163.6 mm by 77.5 mm with an 8.2 mm thickness. It weighs around 200 grams and is available in slate and white. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is IP54 certified, offering splash, water, and dust resistance. In terms of connectivity, it is 5G capable, features USB Type-C audio, NFC, Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. Here is an exploded view of the components: the 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED screen, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro board, the 5000 mAh battery with 33W wireless, and the 50-megapixels Tri-Cam system chassis. Please note that appearance is for reference, and finishes may vary. Charge cycles vary by use, and memory availability is less than total due to system files. The CMF Phone 2 Pro will be available starting May 1, 2025 on Amazon and CMF by Nothing.